The US Federal Reserve is all set to announce its rate cut decision on September 18th. This after the two-day Federal Open Market Committee FOMC meeting, which will come to an end. The much-awaited decision is scheduled to be out at 11:30 p.m. IST. Let's quickly understand what the interest rate cut is all about and how it impacts households and businesses. Now, lower interest rates, for instance, encourage people to obtain a mortgage or a home, or to even borrow money for an automobile or home improvements. It also encourages businesses to borrow funds to invest for expansion. Meanwhile, higher interest rates discourage such borrowing by consumers and businesses, hampering the development of the economy. And with the US Federal Reserve being one of the most powerful central banks, markets across continents look for clues on the policymakers' moves. At the latest Fed meeting, US Fed Chair Jerome Powell is likely to maintain a dovish stance and allow room for potential larger rate cuts later on. The meeting is likely to focus on whether to lower rates by 25 basis points or 50 basis points. Most experts are pointing towards a 25 basis points cut and another 25 basis point cut in November, which is a possibility. Powell, in his speech at the Jackson Hole, Wyoming meeting last month, had stressed on the Fed's readiness to cut rates to support the job market and achieve the challenging soft landing in the US economy. Now, what is soft landing? Well, soft landing refers to the central bank's attempt at lowering inflation without causing a deep recession and a spike in unemployment. In its last FOMC meeting chaired by the Fed, it had decided to keep the key interest rates unchanged. This will be the Fed's first rate cut since March 2020, when it had drastically reduced rates to near zero to bolster the US economy during the COVID-19 pandemic. The Fed had begun increasing rates in 2022 in response to the sharp increase in inflation caused by post-pandemic supply shortages and the conflict in Ukraine. Since then, it has maintained its key lending rate at a 20-year high of 5.25 to 5.5% for the last 14 months, anticipating improvement in economic conditions. Traders are betting on about 120 basis points in cuts this year and a total of 250 basis points by the end of 2025. This would bring interest rates to about 2.8 to 2.9% by the end of next year, from the current 5.25 to 5.5% range. Fed officials have also reaffirmed that the focus is likely to be on the labor market and not inflation at the moment, as unemployment in the US rose to 4.3% in July, its highest level since October 2021, and any aggressive move by the Fed in cutting rates may reignite inflation concerns and hamper the economy. And what does this mean for the Indian markets? Well, if the Fed cuts interest rates, the RBI could follow suit. It is a possibility. It is also likely to provide some relief to the Indian rupee, which had fallen to an all-time low against the US dollar last week. And how is that? Because investors often choose to borrow from emerging markets on expectations of high ROI. Meanwhile, a 50 basis points cut, though unlikely, could generate positive market sentiment. Now, traders, investors, and central banks across the world are keenly watching for the Fed's decision, which will impact markets across geographies. Keep watching Republic TV for the latest.